How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make your metabolism fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what causes a damaged metabolism? A damaged metabolism is caused by starvation diets or losing weight too quickly. I have experienced this numerous times when I tried cutting weight. Take my word on it, you do not want this to happen to you. And this was in my beginner stages of bodybuilding. I didn't know much about cutting. I kind of starved myself a little bit, and it wasn't good. Destroyed my metabolism. The best way to prevent a damaged metabolism is to do your cutting cycle slowly. Give it plenty of time, and you won't have a damaged metabolism. So how can we repair a damaged metabolism? Let's say you've already damaged it. You want to get it back to normal. You want it to get it faster. What can we do to fix this? Tip 1 is eat smaller meals. Instead of having 2 or 3 big meals, have 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. Now, some people have said that this is just a myth. It doesn't help increase your metabolism. Personally, I have tried this, the smaller meals, the bigger meals, and I do find that the smaller meals do help increase my metabolism. Eat every 2 to 3 hours. By eating more often, you will speed up your metabolism. Very simple thing to do. Start lifting weights. By starting on a resistance training program, you will repair your damaged metabolism and speed it up. I do apologize, you guys. I got something in my eye and it's really hurting. I recommend weight training at least 3 times a week. Start doing cardiovascular exercises. By doing more cardio, you will naturally burn more food. This will cause you to eat more. Make sure that you do eat more. You don't want to be doing too much cardio and not eating. This will damage your metabolism even more. Tip 5 is get your sleep. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep per day. If you're not sleeping enough, then your metabolism won't be functioning at its best. Proper hydration is the next tip. Our bodies are made up of 70% water. Make sure that you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. I will put a link in the description box to an item that you can buy that will help increase your metabolism. So I highly recommend you go check that out. So again, just to kind of sum it up, eat smaller meals, eat every 2 to 3 hours, start lifting weights, start doing cardiovascular exercises, get sleep, proper hydration. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.